Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact setup. Clear 2 tiles behind and 2 in front of a rock so it won't push you. Once done, stand facing the rock with your shovel equipped. You'll need to time rapid strikes. Make sure to hit the rock 8 times quickly. This makes resources spawn. If you have a friend or villagers, keep them away from the rock area. You do this because positioning controls where the iron nugget will appear, and rapid hits prevent you from being knocked back. Now you execute consistently. Hit the rock 8 times, counting as you go, no more, no less, because the 8th hit yields multiple resources including iron nuggets. Once done, check the 5 drop slots around the rock, take items and repeat on other rocks. Make sure to bring tools to dig space and a pocket for stacking. If you need more hits faster, consume a stamina-reducing food to avoid being pushed back. This keeps your rhythm steady and increases yield over a morning cycle. Finish by collecting all drops and saving your position. This prevents resource loss. If you get knocked back, immediately step 1 tile away and reposition behind the rock. Then resume the rapid strikes, because small micro-adjustments fix hit registration. If you repeatedly find no iron nuggets, switch islands with a Nook Miles ticket or clear additional space. This changes your rock spawn behavior. Finally, make sure your game is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.